Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make files or folders available offline in OneDrive on your PC. This is incredibly useful when you need access to important documents without an internet connection, whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just want that extra peace of mind. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or simply pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will bring up your File Explorer window, where you can access all your files and folders stored on your computer. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left navigation menu, where your Quick Access section is located. This is where you'll find shortcuts to your most frequently used folders and cloud storage options. From here, locate and click on your OneDrive folder to open it. This folder contains all the files and folders you've synced with your OneDrive cloud storage. Now, within your OneDrive folder, browse through and locate the specific files or folders that you wish to make available offline. This could be anything from important work documents, project files, photos, or any other content you want to access without needing an internet connection. Once you've found the file or folder you want to keep offline, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with various options for managing that item. From this list of options, click on Always Keep on this device. This is the key step that makes everything work. When you select this option, OneDrive downloads a complete copy of the file or folder from the cloud and saves it locally to your computer's hard drive. This means the content will be stored directly on your device, making it fully accessible even when you're offline or don't have an internet connection. The files will continue to sync with OneDrive when you're back online, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date version. And that's it. You've successfully made your files or folders available offline in OneDrive, giving you reliable access to your important content anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.